So here's an interesting little problem I found creating in-application help for certain Fiori applications. So I'm in my Fiori system here, in my S4 system. I'm looking at the reservation list inventory management app. I've seen this happen with several different apps. It's not unique to this, but this is the one I happen to be in at the moment. So if I pull up the in-app help here, where I've got my custom help, you can see that I've got a hotspot around this option of dynamic selections. That's actually tied to this tile here, which is reservation, and it tells me that I can click on this to display the reservation document. This is completely wrong. This help tile has absolutely nothing to do with this button here. So why is it appearing here? The simple reason is I actually created it on the next screen, which is the details screen, where I've got a reservation option, and that's what this actually refers to. This is that particular option. So why is this appearing on the previous screen? The simple answer is I think that the developers, when they were creating this application, have basically reused a screen element and not given it a unique ID. Or it could be that I'm using the wrong level of nesting here, and there's actually a button called reservation inside a div, perhaps, and that div's also used on the previous screen with the same name, but I can't get any tighter in here to select a better option. This was the best thing I could attach it to. So what can I do to fix this? Because I do want this here, I just don't want it on the previous screen. Well, the simple answer is that I can create a condition for this. So I'm going to go into edit mode. I'm going to go to this particular tile and select set conditions. And now in here, I'm going to say for an element, and for this specific element, I am going to say if the value is reservation, which is actually the text of that button option here, then I want to display this help tile. Otherwise I don't. And you can see here it says yes, it currently matches. If I put something else in there, it says no, there's no match. It's not going to display it. So here on this screen, I do want it displayed when I see that reservation option. So I'll apply that, save, come out of edit mode, and you can see that I do have reservation still attached to this. But if I go to the previous screen now, no longer do I have that tile, and it's no longer tied to this because this does not say reservation. This says dynamic selections. So that's a nice, easy fix for this. Should it be necessary? No, in an ideal world, but it is a quick, easy fix to get around that problem. Hope you find that useful. Thanks for watching.